Hi guys, in this video, we're going to see how you can change the site title and the tagline on your WordPress site. Let's say you have launched a new WordPress site and you have a default title and tagline like this. Now, how do you change this? Now, if we search for our website on Google, you can see that our website has a default WordPress title and tagline, but it looks unprofessional. So let's see how you can change the default title and tagline in WordPress. Now, to change your site's title and tagline, first, let's log into our WordPress website by adding /login and press enter. Now, to log into WordPress, enter your username and password and press login. Okay, so now we are logged into WordPress. Now to see our site, let's go here and click Visit Site. Now to change the site title and tagline, all you have to do is just click Customize and you will get this option. Now click Site Identity and here we got the option for changing the site title and tagline. Now enter the title which you want for your website. So I'm going to enter my title and tagline. Now once you enter your site title and tagline, this is how it will look on your website and on the Google search results. So once you have added the site title and tagline, now to save the changes, just click Publish. As soon as you click Publish, the title and tagline will be updated on your website. So now, if we go back to our website and click Refresh, you can see that we have successfully changed our title and tagline. And now, we have a more professional look when our site appears on the Google search results. So now you know how you can change the title and tagline of your website. Now here, instead of having a title in text, what if you want to add a logo to your site? So next, let's see how you can add a logo to your header like this. So to add the logo, let's go back to this tab and click Select. And just drag and drop your logo like this. Now as you can see, the logo has been added here. And you can see that we also have the site title and tagline here. Now to remove the site title and tagline from here, just disable this option and it will be removed. So now to save the changes, let's click Publish and your logo will be updated on your website. So now, if we go back to our website and click Refresh, you can see that we have got our logo on the site. So this is how you can add the logo to your site. Next, let's go to the bonus part of this tutorial where we see how you can add a site icon. Now if you see here, we have a default WordPress icon next to our title. Now how do you change this icon? So let's see how you can add your site icon. To add a site icon, let's go back to this tab. Now scroll down and click Select Site Icon. And here, drag and drop the image you want as your site icon. And as you can see, the site icon has been added here. So to save the changes, let's click Publish. And now, if we go back to our website and then click Refresh, you can see that our site icon has been changed. So this is how you can change your site icon. Okay, that's it guys. So now you know how you can change your site's title, tagline, the logo, and the site icon. If you want to learn more about WordPress, click here to get our free ebook, The 7 Must-Do Things After Launching Your WordPress Website. And also make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.